How to download REDnote videos without watermark. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download any of the REDnote video without watermark on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to select a video that you wish to download. For example, if I wish to download this video, I'm just going to click on it. And after that, you'll be able to see a couple of options over here. So you're going to click on this arrow over here. And here, what you're going to do is scroll all the way to the right. And then you're going to find the option that says copy link. So you're going to click on copy link. And now it says that link copied, and you can just do whatever you want with the link. So what you're going to do is go to your phone's search engine. Now over here, I have opened Safari. So what you're going to do is click on the search bar and type REDnote video downloader. And now this is the one. So just click on it. So you're going to select this one because this is compatible on both of the devices. So you're just going to click this one and you'll be redirected to this interface. So you're going to click on this and paste the link over here. And after that, you can click on download. And you'll be redirected to another interface and the download process will begin. And after that, the download process will begin and your video would be downloaded shortly. If your internet is fast, it would be very quick. And after that, you'll be able to see when you open the video in your gallery, the video will be downloaded without watermark. So that was how you can download a video from REDnote application without watermark. So if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.